And we're able to go ahead and get some free Uber Eats, as simple as that.
Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over how to get Uber Eats for free. I'm super excited about this video because you guys really seem to enjoy the DoorDash video, and I'm going to be going into detail on how to go ahead and get free Uber Eats, and in the future I'll show you guys how to get free Uber rides as well. So definitely consider subscribing to the channel if you found any value of this video. Obviously, getting something for 100% free is almost impossible, but this will be giving you guys $15 off of your order. So I'll show you guys how to go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. In order to go ahead and do this method, you're going to need two apps. The first one's going to be Uber Eats, and the second one is going to be Google Voice. You probably already have both of them, but if you don't have Google Voice, you can go ahead and find it in the App Store or Google Play. This works on Android and iOS. Then you want to start by adding up to $20 inside of your cart, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Before we do go ahead and continue, I do want to warn you that you do need to sign up with a brand new account each time that you want to go ahead and use this method. You guys can go ahead and get a number from Google Voice, Signal, or even Text Now. Uber should actually ask you to go ahead and provide a number. Basically, you can go ahead and get it from any of those three services I recommended, but Google Voice is one of the easiest. You basically sign in with your Google account and it gives you a free number. After all of that is done, you can easily continue with this method. Let's go ahead and jump back in. Once your cart is full, you just want to go ahead and go to checkout just like that. Add a payment method. Then you're going to see add promo code. Click on that. Then click on enter code. And you want to go ahead and put this code in that you see on screen. Keep in mind that this code will be changing, so check the pinned comment and description to go ahead and get the latest code. And just like that, look at that. We just got $15 off. I do want to make sure you guys know that you do have to make a brand new account for this method. It doesn't work with existing accounts, but it's super easy to go ahead and get a brand new number with Google Voice. You go ahead and sign up. Make sure to go ahead and check the pinned comment and description to make sure you guys are updated with the latest code, because this does change pretty often. But you guys will always have a working code, but that will give you guys $15 off just like that as soon as you make a brand new account. You don't want to go ahead and miss out on this offer. And a cool thing about this is I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and get free Uber Cash in about a few days or so definitely subscribe to the channel. But now on to how to get a free number. I want to show you guys this in detail so you're not mistaken. In order to go ahead and get the free number, all you guys need to go ahead and do is sign up for Google Voice, Text Now, Signal. Any of these should work, but me personally, I like using Google Voice because it is the easiest and you can easily change your number if you want to. Or you guys can go ahead and make a brand new Google account, which I basically have over 20 of these right now. And you can go ahead and swap them and get a brand new number just like that. Sign up for Uber Eats, and you guys can keep getting the promo over and over and over again. That's how I was able to go ahead and eat for free every single time. But I'm going to show you guys some other methods because I'm pretty sure everyone's not looking to create a brand new number each time, and there are some better ways of doing so. The next app is going to be to download the app called Eureka. So this app basically is a paid survey app, and I made a decent amount of money off of this, basically just grinding out surveys and making sure that I've been consistent, and I was able to go ahead and get a decent amount of money off of my order. But it honestly doesn't really compete with the method I just showed you guys before. But if you guys go ahead and put in my referral code, you guys would go ahead and get basically $1 survey and I get 50 cents. It basically helps me out, and you guys can go ahead and get a bunch of money yourselves. This is the highest paying survey app that I have came across, and you guys don't want to go ahead and miss out on this. Simply click on referrals, then you want to go ahead and click on enter code, and you guys can type in the code exactly how you see on screen. Obviously, I can't type in my very own code, but that should be able to go and give you guys some free cash to start off with, which honestly is really nice, and you also get $1 as well. Unfortunately, this only works in the US, so keep that in mind, but the first method I did show you does work worldwide, I believe, so definitely go ahead and check it out. If you guys are watching the video still, definitely thank you. I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and do this for yourselves so you can basically farm infinite food. This is basically how I was able to go ahead and do it, and if you're watching this far, then you're probably interested. So all you got to go ahead and do is have some type of social media influence, or maybe even have a bunch of friends. Then you get them to go ahead and sign up with your referral code, and it's pretty much infinite food from there. That's how I'm able to go ahead and basically generate $300 of food, which every single week, like, you know how crazy that is? Like $300 of food every every single week. That is definitely a lot of food, and that's amongst like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, and a lot of people ask me how I'm able to go ahead and eat such luxurious meals at Roof Chris. Well, that's the answer. Obviously, I'm joking about Roof Chris. That's pretty expensive. I don't think I'll actually be in there anytime soon. I think that'll actually basically wipe out my whole balance. But hopefully you guys understand how to go ahead and get some free meals on Uber Eats. It's actually really simple. Let me go ahead and go back again and show you guys again just to make sure you understand. I also want to come on here and kind of talk about these blatant scams that are happening when you type in how to get free DoorDash, how to get free Uber Eats. So a lot of people don't know about this, but there's a ton of different scams here that are basically trying to get you to do human verification. What exactly is that? It's basically when they get you to go out and fill out a survey or download a mobile application. You can actually see it within this video. So he's talking about how to get free Uber Eats, and then he's got like this Uber Eats plus type thing going on. And then, hold on, there is human verification. What exactly is this called? It's called CPA, or cost per acquisition. It's basically where companies are looking to go ahead and pay people just like this to go ahead and mislead people. So they go ahead and download their app, etc., and they can go ahead and get more app installs. It's very scummy, and you can see a lot of people out here doing it. To wrap up this video, I do want to make sure everything is clear about all of these methods. The first method does require you to have $20 or more in your cart. As soon as you check out, you use the promo code, you'll get instantly $15 off. Honestly, it's really good savings, but you do need to be a new user. That's why you need a new number every single time, so keep that in mind. The second method is going to be using Eureka. It's basically a paid survey app that does allow you to go ahead and save money off of each order. It's actually really helpful, and I'm able to go ahead and make a few dollars each day just by basically doing not a lot of work. And the third method is to basically share your referral code around. Let me show you guys exactly where that's going to be, because it was kind of hidden for me, to be honest with you. You want to go ahead and jump into the app. Then you want to go over to the last tab on the right. Then click promotions, and then you're going to see something saying invite your friends for basically $15 off. This is pretty much the referral that I've been using, and this has got to me a decent amount of money, and I believe this video should generate me around $3,000 or $4,000 in free food, just as easy as that. And it's honestly crazy when you think about it with the social media stuff, how much you can really make just off of just recommending a few things to people. And honestly, it's really life-changing. But hopefully you guys are able to go ahead and get some free food and are able to go ahead and capitalize on this opportunity. This was really hidden. Like, I gotta be honest with you, this was absolutely hidden. I couldn't find this anywhere, but I was finally able to go ahead and find the referral code, and you guys can go ahead and do so for yourselves. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time for the next video on Shiftery Reviews. Bye.